Hi everyone, today at Joy Kitchen Joy, we are going to show you how to make a vegetarian dish using dal and snake gourd, in Malay called Labu Ular. These are the ingredients that we are going to use. Let's start our cooking with putting a spoon of mustard seed. Just a tablespoon of ghee to make the aroma and the taste better for children, and it's also very healthy. Thank you once again for watching our video. Please try and let me know in the comment box. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Bye. See you all again.